It's as simple as they just put it on, get the view there, and they got a camera streaming, and you can hear what's going on. So it's your FaceTime on steroids, essentially, right? So we went down the RealWear path as opposed to some of the others because it allows for all our safety gear. We actually, in our bakeries, we have it mounted to a hard hat. You can put it on bump cap. We can wear safety glasses. The earphones we use are actually hearing protection earphones. You change out the tips, so you don't have to share those. So it solved all those safety issues. It keeps their line of sight open, right? They need to be able to see what they're doing, yet they can still use both hands, be completely cognizant of their surroundings, and then hear somebody coach them through that problem. Make probably some of the best training videos that I've seen that easily, right? And kind of like Mike mentioned, YouTube, and you mentioned, YouTube's where most of the younger generation's kind of going for. I know if I'm changing a headlight on a car, I'm going to pull it up on YouTube before I assume to know what all I need to take off, right? And most of you are probably doing the same thing, and most people coming in want to be able to do that. I've seen people inside bakeries look up bakery equipment on YouTube trying to figure out how to do something. Well, you can create those videos yourself and make sure they are what you need them to be and have those caveats on the food safety side, the lockout tag outside before they get into it. So I can see through my computer screen exactly what they're looking at, right? And I can pull up a diagram and show it in their little screen that shows up in the bottom that looks like a 7-inch tablet to them, and they can look through a wiring diagram, right? Or on the production side, they can go and watch the process. We actually used this a couple weeks ago in one of our bakeries where we thought we had a problem with the lamination process, and I couldn't get my corporate production manager out there quick enough. So, simple enough, have somebody put the HMT on Sunday. And it took them 15 minutes. They walked up to the process, accepted the call, walked through the whole thing, did a little coaching, and saved ourselves 3 days of travel, a lot of money in hotels and airfare, and a lot of better life for that employee.